yn far a bhfuil mé ngrá leis. Mis sé cé agus seo na scéal. Tá áit an spéisiúil an even I Leuven is monasteir monasteir an Fark adbe van Park in Nederlands. Bunio so dar isje an chean agus dúna I meas na revloid na Franca. Fado is mar true. Is park anu sinné. Tá seanchlian slí go Brussels is féidir siúl as in monasteir go Brussels. Agus bhí an sim agam an mar ní feidir lom tumoint is bralam siúl so is maidum seanmhainistir agus ruí mar sin. Ar an chi. Is park anu sinné. Ar an chi tá relic an freisin Sean relic agus is féidir bheith cuatha in sin anu. Agus Barlam I have a lot of anxiety about where I'm buried because I spend more time buried than alive. So ní Barlam a bheith cuatha in Norach áit. It's I have a lot of worry about that. Ar an chi. Mi make sure simple na réalacha lá amháin agus cé a bhacha mé ach beirt as éireann. Cuairtha. Sa réalaigh. Agus bhí úntas orm ar nu. Beirt as na Royal Ulster Rifles, And I felt a lot of kinship with them because we're English speakers, here in Flanders. That was what I thought. Aaron, he worship was a Nigel Jag. So 1941, Battle of Leuven. Well, the Umri Oran Fuhu, so far from home, it's here Estra. Gan na muintir, gan cuairteoirí cinse inú. Scríbas píosa dansa. The thing I can't forget, ní feidir lom dearmóid a dhéanamh círeúd amháin. Scríbú a cint, in chéad hin, at the grave of the first one. Worth remembering, one of the best. Agus ní feidir lom dearmóid a dhéanamh fi. It's to create an dílis agam. Agus, smínam gomininic, cén size far, with his compatriots write this about him, his Milam, Shanlina, Shan Rudy, Shani Shani. So smínam fli gomininic, agus in a sense, tell me I'm raw leis. I guess I hope someday I can meet him. Aaron, you could visit him maybe. Sean-mhainistir.